Swimming, top 3 benefits. There's many. 1, you're surrendering to silence underwater. Number 2, teaches you to flow through life and not fight the water. Once you flow with it, you glide through life. Another beautiful benefit of swimming, linked with your resetting of the mind, pure therapy. Every stroke is a meditative practice. You're focused on your breathing. If you overexert, swimming's gone. If you don't breathe correctly, if you don't focus on your breathing, it's very, very difficult. It actually trains you to be mindful and focus on your breathing. There's no beautiful way to surrender to peace with the strokes of swimming. Try it. If you've got any other benefits you want to share with us. With sharing good and peace is how we're going to change the world.